Splunk Admin Roadmap Day 1. In this video, we are going to discuss about who created Splunk, why did they created Splunk. First of all, who created Splunk? Rob Das, Eric Swan, they started working together around early 1990s. And around 2002, they got an idea of Splunk. And officially, around 2004, they registered the Splunk. So we can say Splunk was officially founded around 2004. Now, these two founders reached out to around 60 to 70 companies and they asked, how's your monitoring experience? And most of them said, monitoring feels like digging through caves. Interestingly, digging through caves means cave exploration means it's also called splunking. The splunking keyword means cave exploration. So that's where the inspiration for the name came in. But actually, what market problem it was solving actually? So there were three main problems. One is like there are a lot of more manual log files, and they were second one is they were very hard to maintain. And when it comes to the collaboration with others, it was super hard. These three were the main market problems Splunk was trying to solve. So our founders came up with a solution which looked like Google for log files. Meaning, how are you searching in Google? The same way you can search through your log files. Bam. That's where the idea for Splunk formed.